Welcome back to the channel, everybody. Today's the day everybody's been asking for. Hunting season is over, and we're going to go off-roading. Right now we're heading into J.W. Corbett Wildlife Nature Preserve. It's anything too crazy, but it's fun. Meeting up with a few friends for some light trail rides. A little dusty right now, we're waiting for some rain to come in, but let's see how today goes. So it should be a fun day. We have a brand new JL Rubicon coming in with us. Still has a paper plate on it. There's a few JKs. There's Siobhan with the showstopper, JP, Jenny. There's even a Grand Cherokee coming in with us. I'm gonna try to get some nice shots. I am riding solo, but I do have the drone, I do have the dash cam. We'll get it going. So being that I'm riding solo in my Jeep, I didn't get any drone footage of me hitting the mud hole, but this is good footage right here. This is why I bedlined and raptor lined my Jeep, because of pinstriping. Going through these tight trails down here in South Florida, you know, you get scratches and marks going all up and down the sides of the Jeep. It's a fun little ride though. We're heading off to a different spot. I'll try to get some more video there. Hope you guys are enjoying it thus far. I'll see if I can catch any more good moments. So this is the next day. I've been washing the Jeep with my power washer, soap and a brush for about 3 hours in the rain. I'm soaking wet, drenched. I will say this, the Raptor held up amazing against the branches, the trees, the mud, the rocks. No scrapes, nothing chipped or anything like that. What I will say is that it does take more time to clean it. Being that it's all porous and has a lot of crevices and ruts, the mud found its way into all different places, and the easiest thing I found was using a brush, brushing in circular motion, back and forth, up and down, just any direction you can will loosen it all up and get it out. It's been raining, so that helps a little bit. The top held up well too. I want to see what it looks like when it dries. I was a little bit worried about it staining from the black mud that we were going through, but it looks like it held up fine. No damage that I know of other than my inner ace fender liner. I don't know if it made contact with the sway bar or what the case is, but I noticed my quick disconnect is a little bit on an angle, and it actually peeled back the inner fender liner. I'm gonna step out in a minute and give you guys a better view. It's pouring right now. Yeah, whatever, let's do it now. So as you can see here, it actually bent that back, and I noticed my disconnect is kind of on an angle. I don't know if it was like that or what. Oh man, I'm getting drenched. Ugh, okay. But that's the only thing that I noticed. Also, the 37s at full turn, I guess when I hit a bump or something, they do make contact with the frame. I saw some of the frame, the paint was rubbed away where the tires make contact. Hopefully that'll be corrected. Next week or the week after, I have some blown out Johnny joints on the control arms. So ProComp offered to exchange them out for new ones since they have a lifetime transferable warranty. I went to 4-Wheel Parts in West Palm Beach. The manager there, Pat, really nice guy. He told me since ProComp is the same company as Rubicon Express, I could do an exchange and kind of upgrade. These control arms are all fixed. Rubicon Express actually makes a set, all 8 of them, that would be adjustable, and they have rebuildable joints versus these, which if they're shot, they're shot. So I think I'm gonna go that route. I'm gonna upgrade all of these control arms to adjustable ones and see if I could dial in the pinion angles better and all that. While I'm at it, I'm also going to upgrade the springs. These springs are starting to sag a little bit. These are the ProComp Stage 2. I'm thinking about going a progressive metal cloak 4.5-inch spring. It'll give me another 1/2 inch of lift or whatever, but it should make it more stable. And an issue that I saw with these, if I flex out, my rear springs actually pop out of the perch on the top, and they sit sideways. So it could be because my shocks are too long, or I don't know what else, but I'm pretty sure the 4.5-inch springs will solve that problem. As always, guys, thanks for watching. Oh, let me show you. Hang on, before I get out of here. I moved everything too, by the way. Another video. I have a brand new Fox steering stabilizer I'm going to be putting in. So we'll do that in an upcoming video. Stay tuned for that one. So once again, guys, my name's Tony. This is my channel, TMogo116, where I show you everything that I do to the Jeep. By the way, anybody have any recommendations for liners? I might swap those out. I might bend it back for now because there's nothing else wrong with them. But anybody have any suggestions for inner liners they want to see me do? Let me know. Hit that like button, subscribe. If you liked what you saw, share the video, tell your friends to give it a watch. As always, guys, thank you. Have a good one.